For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
With essentially decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculation and science-upheld digital forms of money truly appear to be administering the blockchain framework world in a significant manner. While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. Right now, managing the Atom digital money trades, Cosmos Network explicitly is flooding ahead with Tendermint Core and its extremely novel Byzantine fault tolerance, having announced its venture worth $15 million. Universe digital currency can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos Network helps the development of Atom token, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Universe digital currency, all the more prominently known by its local relay token Atom, most certainly has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing wonders amazingly. Before we start with real Cosmos cost expectation, how about we actually look at nitty-gritty outline of the coin? Universe, ATOM, the mystery decoded in a significant way. Universe is depicted as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights shrewd agreement usefulness as well as offers a safe and profoundly secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any go-betweens involved, which is genuinely critical. Universe biological system additionally contains Cosmos Hub. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Universe Network utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine fault-tolerant agreement model to approve exchanges, or so they thought. Universe is a token on the Cosmos Hub. Particle tokens are utilized for security purposes. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this cryptographic money, the whole peculiarity and basic focal point of Cosmos, ATOM, sort of is programmability in every practical sense, large way. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples, which can especially be based on the stage, which truly is genuinely critical. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and apps, decentralized applications, and constant turns of events and updates. Universe, ATOM, the global advantage. Molecule clients will generally send and get installments in their preferred money through most certainly brilliant agreements, as Atom handles the transformation through nuclear trades between cross-chain crypto resources. More benefits follow. In a kind of significant manner. Multifunctional credits of Atom empower enhanced utilizations of existing applications, including security and well-being of information and exchanges. Atom guarantees openness, particularly in different layer arrangements, variety of application stages presented on Atom, making a strange encounter. Intertradability most certainly is one more beautiful key component of Atom through DEXs. Mechanism of Atom empowers scalability. Features supporting portable applications and engineer units are incredibly easy to use and have their free calculation. A plenty of DeFi applications can be posted on Atom side chains. Universe, ATOM, historical data and technical analysis in a significant manner. Instability is the sign of any digital currencies, as is valid for Cosmos too. In December 2019, Cosmo began its continuous yet consistent presentation. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bull run in March 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way. The pandemic appears to have made way for Cosmos with its exceptional exhibition. Universe has beaten a record gain according to crypto figures by accomplishing the cost of Cosmos to $6.50, finishing strong for exchanging, which really is very huge. The help level is $29.936 and opposition level especially is $33.325. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin explicitly has generally reflected colossal force, or so they thought. Toward the finish of January 2021, the Atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25. However, from that point forward, it plunged to $17, or so they truly thought. Then, from last month, Cosmos again denoted a gigantic meeting and enrolled another unequaled high of $32.14, or so they generally thought. Notwithstanding, as of late, it confronted a sharp decrease in a significant manner. Universe cost today waits around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a circling supply of 286,370,297 atom. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos, ATOM, is $607,883,319.19 in an unpretentious way. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Universe Price Prediction 2022. As per Atom expectation, with especially various organizations and coordinated efforts in local area subsidizing, the digital money market glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63. Which is very hopeful, however definitely practical toward 2022 in the for the most part momentary's end. Universe Price Prediction 2023. With any progressions in government approaches and guidelines, the atom cost might have its portion of murky days. In the event that atom cost holds the help at the 100 SMA solidly, purchasers will then, at that point, have adequate opportunity to sort of sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and soundness. In the principle, around 50% of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of Atom may be around $75. Universe Price Prediction 2024, which certainly is genuinely huge. Hustling up to peak won't be consequently so hard for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and really long-haul value targets can be found to trade at them. Beginning with a sort of least of $63 and the drawn out it might cross $90, or so they thought. Universe Price Prediction 2025, or so they thought. Molecule USD however really dove, yet in view of expectations and opposition level, one of the most bullish on-chain measurements for Atom is the critical expansion in the quantity of Atom coins kept into the agreement. In the primary, around 50% of the cost may be $81. Universe, ATOM, cost in a real sense is set to give promising indications, arriving at a pinnacle of $105 toward the finish of 2025. Universe Price Prediction 2026. Updates will basically push the versatility of the Cosmos organization to 1,000,000 exchanges each, essentially second moving the blockchain business from energy serious procedure in a significant manner. As per Cosmos cost expectations, in the primary portion of the year 2026 the cost could sort of reach $90, or so they especially thought. The blockchain network is really famous with various ventures based on it, given the progressions in a real sense are kept up with, we can especially see the cost of